this video today, we are going to showcase to you a property that's in a gated community, and the name of the community is Cortile. We're going to show you why we think it is such an attractive neighborhood for home buyers. All right, so again, we're here in the community of Cortile. Now, Cortile is actually combined with Tuscany, which comprises 524 single-family units. Now, on title, technically, it's listed as a condo in a planned unit development, but these properties are actually detached single-family homes. And we're going to go tour today. This one is on Livorno Way. It just came on the market, and it's 1,399 square feet. Now, as we enter inside, these floor plans range from 2 to 4 bedrooms, and you'll see anywhere from 1,200 square feet on up all the way to the 4-bedroom, which is 1,563 square feet. Now, again, at 1,400 square feet, these properties are not going to be extremely large, but they're very functional floor plans. So these properties were built in between 2004 to 2008. All the new builds now are built by Toll Brothers. These were built by Chappelle. Remember, Chappelle at the beginning of 2014 sold their residential home build side to, actually, they sold it to Toll Brothers. Remember, who's based out of Pennsylvania. So Toll Brothers didn't build these. These were built by Chappelle. They're very popular. So as you walk in, you have your dining area, your living room. Here you have the hardwood flooring and everything inside of it. So if you take a look around, right, again, you got your ceiling fan. Here, you have your surround sound, and which is always nice, built in, which is great because in this floor plan, you have your area where you would put in your large flat screen TV, your media center down below, and step back down. It's it. You know, your sofa's going to go against the wall, and you're going to have a dining room also right here. So then as you turn around, move this door out of the way. As you turn around, here's your kitchen. So these are cabinets from 2008, as that's when this property was built again. So you have your granite counters, your stone backsplash, and you have your freestanding range with the gas cooktop, your built-in microwave. Something that you don't see in new builds anymore is a trash compactor. So definitely something, I'm not even sure if you can get, you probably could get parts for it, but I don't know if you can really replace it anymore. And then over here would be your pantry inside there. So a very useful kitchen. You got your recessed lighting up on top, and you get stainless steel appliances throughout. So what's nice about this floor plan is, especially if you're looking at a 2-bedroom, so again, the 3-bedroom actually has a bedroom downstairs. So it's great. You can use it as an office, a gym. You have your in-laws. Again, you got your another ceiling fan here. But again, this is very useful for somebody, whatever your needs might need and however you need it. We typically find, like, most of the people that usually buy this type of floor plan, that usually what they end up doing is, most of them are a huge family. So most of them, they're either downsizing or they're first-time home buyers. But since you have the bedroom down here, as opposed to just having a half bath like you do with a 2-bedroom floor plan, here, we'll go in and we'll turn around here, try to get back as much as we can, and you got a full shower. So you got the full shower here. Be able to use that. So we'll come back to the garage in a minute because I want to show you what's kind of pretty cool about that. So here, you go up the stairs, and you have 2 bedrooms upstairs. So remember, we already looked at 1 bedroom downstairs, and upstairs, both bedrooms have bathrooms. You got your ceiling fan again, and they're standard sized bedrooms. Again, they're not going to be very large in this floor plan, only because, again, you're only looking at 1,400 square feet. This isn't the West Cliff where you're looking at 5,000 to 6,000 square feet. Speaking of which, make sure you stay till the end of this video. I'm going to give you a quick update on what Toll Brothers is doing with some new construction home sites. So here in this bathroom, you got the full tub and sink, and you got a closet. So now we'll walk over to the primary bedroom, but before we do that, it's nice because your two main bedrooms are upstairs, so your laundry hookups are right here, right? So this house, in case you're wondering, is listed at $875,000. So it's listed at $875,000, 3 bedrooms, 1,399 square feet. And so, again, almost everything you find right now in 91326 is above $1 million. There's only 4 properties right now under $1 million in the entire zip code, which serves just over 13,000 single-family units. All right, so that's the main bedroom, and then you got your dual sinks with granite counters. And you come over here, you got your walk-in closet, pretty high ceiling, pretty good amount of storage in there. And if you turn to your left, you got another shower in the tub, along with your toilet as well, right? All right, so let's talk HOA, because all the gated communities here in Porter Ranch, they do have homeowners associations. So this one, as we walk back down the stairs, like the plantation shutters as we go down, this one here has an HOA of $195. That's on the lower end compared to most of the HOAs here in Porter Ranch, right? And there's also an additional secondary HOA called the Porter Ranch Maintenance, and that one's $45. And on that one, that covers all the exterior maintenance of the actual community on the outside, like covering the greenbelt. And most of the gated communities in Porter Ranch are subject to that Porter Ranch Maintenance HOA. So again, because this is a detached single-family home, even though it's considered a townhouse and condo on title, there's no common roof, right? We'll take a look at that in a little bit. There's no common roof here. So, if anything happened like normally you would see at a condo or a townhouse, the issue would be that you would have to contact the HOA. Here, you are responsible for the roof and any roof maintenance. So the utilities, none of that's included. You are responsible for those as the homeowner. All right, so we're going to go outside. So again, because this is a detached single-family unit here, that, there's no common walls. So you go outside, and I do like the nice pavers out here. You have a small patio, and you can see there's no common walls, right? If you walk around, take a look, and kind of wraps around here, over there. Now, take a look at this. This is something a little different that you don't see very often. You have not one, but 2 single car garages on this floor plan. So that's one of them right there. And then you come back this way, and we'll go back inside here. This is, again, the downstairs bedroom. And we'll open the door right there. Help if I turn on the light, wouldn't it? And it's the same thing. You can put your trash can in here. We'll come in here for a second. You got some built-in storage. And you turn around. Now, the other one actually has the tankless water heater in it, but just kind of give you some perspective of what you get with this, right? So as you walk back into the main part of the house, again, a few things to consider here that, again, this is not something that you're going to compare to the Renaissance or the West Cliff or Canyon Oaks. It's not. This is an entry-level home or property that someone going to be downsizing into. So I'm going to go walk you around now to the front, and we're going to walk around the community a little, because I want you to be able to see something really cool. And that is, how the driveway looks. Now, while we're walking there, this community also has a pool, spa that are community. You have a bathroom that you can use there also. They have barbecue, kind of like a play/picnic area as you walk around this community. And it's something that I think it's really nice. I mean, I think what you get for $195 HOA, you can just see how beautiful this community is. People always walking their dogs. It's super clean. So, when you're driving, coming back from work or wherever it may be, this is what the community looks like as you're driving up into your unit or your property. And this is what remember we were looking at those 2 single 1-car garages? Well, this is what they look like, right? Pretty cool. We find them very popular. So we literally just finished, this is our listing, and we literally just finished an open house here. So we literally just finished an open house where we had almost 30 groups of people come through in literally 3 hours. And over the course of 2 days, we had over 50 groups of people come through in basically about 6.5 hours of open house time. So it kind of shows you where the market is right now, and especially in this price point. Again, I was telling you that you only have 4 properties for sale under $1 million right now in 91326. So, if you're looking at a home in Old Porter Ranch, even the 1,500 square foot homes that need to be remodeled, they're going for $950 to $1 million, which seems crazy, but that is the going rate because the inventory is so low. So if you're looking at something that you want to, keep it under $900,000, but you want something that's newer built, this community kind of checks off a lot of the boxes on that. All right, so we'll go back in one more time and go back out into the patio and kind of give you an update on what is taking place right now with Toll Brothers. So actually, I went there earlier today. So it's hard to believe that all of their properties in the West Cliff, it's almost sold out. They have 3 more properties that they're building. They have, and they're going to be ready pretty soon in April or May and June at the latest. And they just sold their last model home the last couple days, and that was listed at over 4.8. It's a gorgeous home, and you can actually see the video tour that we did on that on our Instagram. But that just tells you that there's still a huge market, because people come up to me all the time. Scott, are people actually buying these houses? Not only are they buying, they're grabbing them up really quick. So to give you an update, now that West Cliff is, for all intents and purposes, is done, right? So now what you're looking at is they have 2 new places that they're going to be building. One of them is Bella Vista in Porter Ranch. They had an unused piece of land that they hadn't kind of built anything on it. They're probably going to be building about 50 homes there. They haven't decided yet exactly. And then they have another one called Verona, and those are the Verona estates. Those are going to be in Chatsworth. They're going to be large properties with large lots. And so those, I think the model home is supposed to be ready in September. That's probably a 9 to 11 month build out time. So just keep that in mind. If you have any questions about those and you want more information on those Toll Brother homes, feel free to leave me a comment down below. And speaking of, let us know what you think of these tours. Leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you and what you would like to see featured as we do more of these video walkthrough tours. Hope you enjoy it, and we look forward to seeing you on the next tour.